It wasn't easy, but I got it from the interrogation video.
What's it about?
It was about the smart telecommunications engineer. I suggest you should see it.
So,
Cell phones. Millions and millions of people use them. With a cell phone, you can talk to anyone on the planet from right where you are. The cellular phone has come a long way in today's society. From the pager, to the first flip phones, to the more advanced, and to the extremely high-tech. Question is, how do cell phones work? It's simple. Cell phones are actually radios. Extremely advanced radios, but a radio nonetheless. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Wireless communication can trace its roots to the invention of the radio by Nikola Tesla in the 1880s. To understand the sophistication of the cell phone, let's compare it to the walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkies are half-duplex devices. That's when two people communicating use the same frequency, so only one person can talk at a time. A cell phone is a full duplex device. That means you can use one frequency for talking and a second frequency for listening. Both people can talk on the call at once. The genius of the cellular system is the division of the city into small cells. Cells are normally thought of as hexagons on a big hexagonal grid. This allows extensive frequency reuse across the city, so that millions of people can use cell phones simultaneously. So, what happens when someone calls you? When you first power up the phone, it listens for an SID on the control channel. The SID is the System Identification Code, a unique 5-digit number that is assigned to each carrier by the Federal Communications Commission. If the phone cannot find any control channels to listen to, it knows it is out of range and displays a no service message. When it receives the SID, the phone compares it to the SID programmed into the phone. If the SIDs match, the phone knows that the cell is communicating with this part of its home system. Along with the SID, the phone also transmits a registration request. The MTSO, also known as the Mobile Telephone Switching Office, keeps track of your phone's location in a database. The MTSO picks a frequency pair that your phone will use in the cell that will take the call, and once your phone and the tower switch on those frequencies, the call is connected. Now you are talking by a two-way radio with a friend. Cell phone technology has advanced tremendously in the past 20 years. It kind of makes you wonder what the mobile industry has to offer within the many years to come. Digital wireless technology. From then to now.